Yeah peeps, back again with a new video. Yeah peeps, CARPURIDE reached out to us with a new Android radio, asking us to give it a review. So today in this video we'll be doing a review on this radio. So anybody interested, our links to their devices will be in the description or in the comment section. So here we are, gonna do unboxing and we'll give you a feedback after a period of time while using it and give our honest review. So here we'll do the review now. So so good packaging. Here's the radio. Alright. Let us see. Alright, remove the tape. Slide out. So it's a 10.1 inch screen. Yeah. Sleek and very, easy to place anywhere you want it. After we take out the screen, we have the different ways to connect it. So I believe this one is to mount it on the flat surface. So in this video we'll be mounting it up here above the original radio that comes with the truck. This is an adhesive pad or glue pad. So this is a flat mount, and we have an aux card, and this is the power source to connect to the cigarette lighter. This is a suction mount, so if you want to mount it on the windscreen or glass, yeah, people, check our head in or so. Yeah, and I think this is another mount, so we'll figure it out as we go. This is how it looks after it's set up. Yeah, as you can see, very nice and sleek. Yeah man, worth it peeps, good product. Yeah peeps, as you can see, the GPS works flawlessly, no issues peeps, worth every dime. So I'll show you more about the CARPURIDE. Yes peeps, it has all the bells and whistles. Screen quality good, fast reaction time. Yeah man, everything works peeps. Yeah peeps, so a lot of features are there. Equalizer, yeah. It also has a nice little feature peeps. It has auto dimming. So when the night comes, the screen gets darker. A nice little feature peeps. Yeah man. Also has, you can use this as a transmitter. So you sync this to the radio. So if you want 95.1, you connect it on the radio and it transmits it. You can use the radio itself actually comes with a speaker also, and you can use the aux card and very good device peeps. 10 out of 10 rating. It's a perfect product for truckers, especially late nights. You can play music and You have to use your phone to check locations and messages, everything. Can't show me there's no point in trying. And I've been quiet for so long.